Hey kids, back again. So we are at the freeway section and we've got this freeway happening for a moment of rundown. To make it look like the dyno is walking along the road, go to scroller here and scroll with velocity X, velocity Y. And so we want this at the end of our start container. Okay, so scroll with vertical X, and I would imagine that vertical X would need to be the thing that's going to move, and the other one's going to be 0. Stop the background from scrolling vertically by changing the value of velocity Y to 0. It's going to change that, and it should change it in the background. So this continual kind of, it gets to one side and then it just flips and flips and flips and flips and flips. So it's a single picture that's used over and over and over again. So it looks like dyno's walking, but actually dyno isn't. Let's go next and check our hints. Good. It is moving from left to right, and we can see that dyno is able to move up and down easily. Okay, good. From loops, we're going to grab a forever loop and drag it into our container. Okay. From sprites, grab a projectile. Lovely. So let's go and set projectile to whatever it's going to be, and snap it into the forever container. Click the grey square and go and grab baby. So my assets, go and grab baby dyno. Lovely. There we are, done. Let's go and check out what we want. Yes. Now you'll notice some strange things are happening. This is what's happening with when we change the math in here and we change what it's actually doing. At the moment, we knew about 50-50 from before when we put the stars in to our button clicker, that the button clicker sent everything to 50-50. One of them is going to have to be 0, isn't it? So that it goes horizontal. Okay. So you may want to experiment with that straight away. So here we are, to make the babies look like they're walking along the road, change the velocity X, the horizontal speed, to 90, to -90. So Vx minus 90, okay. Done. So let's go and see what that does. So it sends it the other way, okay, so it's flipped it over. Then the vertical Y needs to be 0. So they shouldn't float up and down anymore, they should just go in one level, and they do. The snag is that they are just being repeated forever, because we're in this side, it's forever loop. They're just constantly getting sort of layered into this animation. So I'm going to stop here and let you have a go at that. Go and mess around with the numbers, go and play around with the numbers, okay, and see what they do, like you did with the stars, and see what happens with that. Okay, I'll be back in the next clip.